Hello, in this session we will be looking into how to monitor the actions or audit event that any user will be performing on the server or database level on your SQL server. In this session we will first look at the dashboard wherein we will be able to find out which user have initiated any commands like DDL statements such as create, alter or drop or on any databases or schema or any of the database objects or server objects. There are other settings where if you define in a job login events, logout events or any permission modification or creation. You have also a setting to detect if any user has initiated DBCC command or if they are using or running any server state DMVs. And the last one, which we can see that we can also define in a setting of a job that to detect ownership or role or audit modification. Let's take a look uh, at the settings that is available in SQL Planner, which you can create as an audit job for your SQL server. This is primarily categorized into 4 events such as DDL, login, operation and security. Currently, just to show what are the events that you will be able to monitor using this job on your SQL server are following. It is same thing that we just discussed, but here you can specify what objects, I mean what exactly events you are interested in monitoring. Please make sure that you choose only those events which are required. Adding more number of events will lead to large quantity of audit records, thereby increasing the SQL Planner repository database size. So ensure that you choose only those events which are required. Let's take a look at the dashboard of SQL Planner audit dashboard. I'm selecting for last 5 days. We can see that we have been monitoring only 2 server at the moment, and here we can see that this particular server has 215 events captured since last 4 days. And if we take a look at the graph, it tells that 168 alter statement was run in this last 4 days, and create a statement was 38 in number, and view state had 7 number of events. One drop was detected. So let's drill down to this report, click on detail report, and at the end we can see that it was SA user mostly which have initiated lot of DDL statement and view server statement, which is kind of operation. If I want to see what this user has dropped in this period of time, I'll just click on detail report, and I can see this user had dropped a database itself on, and the query was this at this particular date and time. And we can also alternatively apply a filter which says that using these, I want to know these users has performed what and all actions and on which specific database. So I can simply apply these filters and view what this particular user has done on a server level or database level changes. Hope you like this video. In the next session, we will look at how to create a audit job in SQL Planner. Thank you. Have a great day.